What is up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about whether or not you should be investing in crypto. Now, crypto is a very interesting investment because it is like the newest asset class almost. Like stocks, bonds, real estate have been there for an extremely long time, but crypto gained relevance over the past decade or so. And essentially, people are looking at it like a store of value. I know a few people compared it to gold because there's only a limited amount of like Bitcoin and they'll all store a certain value and eventually it could replace the dollar. Another thing is people have been looking at it as an investment technology, like an investment in blockchain. And there are many reasons why you should and shouldn't invest in crypto, but I'm not here to talk about that today. Essentially, I'm only here to talk about whether or not you should be investing in Bitcoin or Ethereum now. Now, Bitcoin has recently seen surges in prices, and I think it will continue to see surges in prices because there's recently been an ETF launched. Now, Bitcoin essentially over the past hasn't been heavily invested in by institutions. However, now because it is coming in as an ETF, institutions that manage 401ks and IRAs now have the opportunity to invest in Bitcoin ETFs. Now, what that does is there's a whole, there are trillions of dollars in 401ks and IRAs, and all that money can now essentially invest in Bitcoin ETFs. Now that inflow of money will lead to a price increase in Bitcoin. And if the Bitcoin ETF is a success, then the same thing will happen with Ethereum. Now Ethereum will also be put into an ETF and suddenly there will be a large amount of money that is available to invest into Ethereum that wasn't available before. Because in the past, some of these brokerages that do manage 401ks and IRAs couldn't invest in crypto, and that might be because it was seen as a risky investment, etc. But now that it is an ETF or an exchange traded fund, which is essentially like a mutual fund almost, it will be available to the wide public, especially by those who get their money managed. And this will create a huge influx of money into these investments, and that'll lead them to grow. And if cryptocurrency continues to grow, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of these other altcoins that are extremely popular, if they continue to grow and if there's a large amount of institution money in them, there's a hard chance that they go to zero. There's a very low chance that they go to zero because them going to zero will affect the wide scale economy. But as like a short-term investment, like 6 months to 1 year, it might be a good opportunity if you haven't already to get into crypto. And by crypto, I just mean the big coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe Ripple, Litecoin, etc. Now, I'm not talking about these smaller coins because a lot of them will be like pump and dump schemes, and some of these projects will fail, and a lot of these projects will fail. However, these larger coins, they have a good chance of staying and growing into the future. So if you guys did enjoy the video or found it helpful in any way, please do leave a like and subscribe, and also comment down below what videos you'd like to see, and thank you for watching.